I'm back and I am totally finished with my hair. I laid down my edges. But yeah, this is the Lulutress Deep Wave and it is 18 inches and this company is by Sensational. And I purchased 6 bags, but I only wound up using 5. And the hair was $3.95 a bag. So yeah, this is about the cheapest crochet braids that I've ever bought. $3.95, you can't beat that. And I ordered this hair off of ebonyline.com. It also took me 4.5 long hours to complete this crochet braid because the hair was too silky and my knots were not staying. And I thought they was, so I had to go back and add some extra knots, but I just showed you guys how to keep the hair from, well, keep the knots from not slipping in the video. Let's see. It comes to my chest. Look how long it is in the back. I don't know if you can see it, but it comes to about mid-back. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. As always, I'll see you in my next video.